We are here today to install a root quencher on this beautiful podocarpus tree. My nephew Greg is here digging a hole with a post hole digger. So Greg's just making sure the depth is right, which it looks pretty darn good. And he's going to install directional plugs on the device so that our water flow is focused towards the root zone of the podocarpus. Greg's already got his T set up. He's got his barbed connector to 1/2-inch male NPT all set up. Now he's just going to cut into the line and put the T in place. So literally in less than 5 minutes we have water and nourishment installed for this podocarpus. We're going to set the flow pretty low so that we don't overwater.